Yo guys, you are all welcome to today's tutorial where we shall be talking about what is the value of a PEEP. But before we go into dive into today's subject, I want to use this opportunity to invite you to please subscribe to our social media accounts. You can find us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok with the name Traders View. So we go straight to today's topic. What is the value of a PEEP? As traders, we always mention PIP, like in our past video, we talked about PIPs, what a PIP is, how we compare currencies together. And in order for us to be able to make money, we will always see our PIP rising. Why is all this importance to us, knowing the value of each PIP in our trading? This helps us to be able to manage our trading perfectly. We'll be able to manage and know, not blow off our account and know how much we are making. What is the profit? Okay, I was able to make 100 pips today. That pips, when it's converted into money, how much did you make? So at the same time, something you don't want to hear, it will equally help you to know how much are you losing. How much did I lose today? I lost 100 pips. And that 100 pips when converted into money, pardon, please. When it's converted into money, how much is that? So when the pip is moved below. So the value of a pip's amount of money or unit in trading depends on the type of lot we are trading. So that will now take us to the next to know about the type of lots. And when talking about the type of lot, here we have, I just put down the type of lot, four of them. Here is the name, the size, and the value in pip. Let's say, for example, you are trading using a standard lot. A standard lot simply means that you have 100,000 unit of account or $100,000. So when you have that money on your account, each pip that you are trading simply means that each pip is $10. The next one is the mini lot. The mini lot simply means that you have a 10,000 unit account. And that 10,000 unit account, you will be making $1 per pip. Each pip that you were able to make, you will earn $1 per pip. Then the third one is the micro lot. The micro lot simply means that you are trading with $1,000 unit of account. So $1,000 of account means that you will be earning 10 cents. In every pip that you make, you will earn 10 cents. The last one we might not really talk much about, I will just only mention it, is the nano lot. The nano lot means you are trading with 100 units of account. And when you trade with 100 units of account, you are simply making a penny, 1 penny in on every pip that you were able to make. So we'll begin to go further and discuss about this. Let's say, for example, you want to trade euro against the dollar, and you were able, on the process of you trading euro against the dollar, you were able to make increase from 1.0803. Remember, last time we said that when this one increases, it simply means that you have increased to 100 pips. So you were able to make this pip. So we're going to go to the calculation. Then when we do go to the calculation, we are going to see talks about you work trading on standard lots. We'll first of all talk about one lot, and the next time we will talk about three lots. If you trade three lots, how much you are making. Okay, let's say we come back to this place, say that you are making this amount of money. and you were able to convert this to 108, sorry for my 823. So if you make this money, how much are you making if you are trading a standard lot? If your buy is a standard lot. Sorry guys, I have cough. Yeah. So if you have this, let's show it on this in this form. Let's say for example you have 100. Remember, you are trading a standard lot. Simply means you have a unit of $100,000 in your account. So by the time you do this, you now say, "Oh, I need this money." Your broker is going to tell you, for you to be able to get this 100,000 euro to trade, because you are trading euro against dollar, it will say, "Okay, this is the amount you need." You have to times this $100,000 that you have to times it by 1.0723. So which simply means you have to have on your account 107,000, yeah, 223. So in order for you to have a 100,000 euro to trade, you are telling your broker, "Oh, look, I have this amount on my account." And he will check it, find out that you have this amount. He will give you 100,000 euro to trade. So by the time you are now trading, let's say for example, you now increase the amount of pips that you are trading. So you now make increase your amount of pips to this amount. Sorry, this amount, because you were having, this is the amount of pips you bought your euro on. So you now increase it to 1.0823. By the time you increase it to this amount, simply means that you have increased with 100 pips. So this is what we want to talk about. That 100 pips that you've increased to, how much is it when it comes to money? So for you to know, we have a formula for this. For you to know how much it is, you have to come here. Let's say you now end up the market for the day. Say, "Oh, I'm done for the day. I have 100 pips." Since you buy the money on these with this price, what is your broker will simply do is that, "Okay, give me my 100,000 euro." So you will now say, "Okay, here is your 100,000 euro." So he will not take his 100,000 euro and you make 100 pips. This is the 100 pips that you make. Since you make this amount of money, which simply means that you now have 100 pips, how do you calculate your 100 pips? It will now be 100 times. Remember here, when you are trading with standard lot, I told you earlier that each pips, the value of a pip that you make on the standard lot is $10 per pip. Because you trade a standard lot, you are going to make a $10 per pip. So okay, we go back to our calculation. So you have 100, sorry please, you have 100 pips times the 10 per pip you have, then times 1. Where do this one come from? Remember, you are trading just a lot. It's a standard lot, but you are trading a lot. So that's why it's times 1. So when you now times 100 times 10 times 1, it will not give you 1,000. Meaning the money you make is $1,000 for the 100 pips you just made. But let's say, for example, that you didn't trade one lot, but you trade 3 lots. How much will it be this morning? It still remains the same with 100 pips. So the 100 pips you make times 10. Remember, you are trading standard lots. So since it's a standard lot, you are making $10 per pip. Then since it's 3 lots that you trade, will now be times 3. So the money you make in all in total will be $3,000. Sorry, guys. Yeah. So that is how you calculate your pips in the standard lot. But let's say, for example, you are not using the standard lot. Your account is a mini lot. How much is your currency? How much are you trading? Let's say we are not going to do one mini lot. We are going to do two mini lots. Let's say you are trading two mini lots, and on your trade, doing of two mini lots, you tell your broker, oh, I need. Remember, when you are trading a mini lot, meaning you are trading with a $10,000 of account. So you are trading with a $10,000. So let's say you now tell your broker, oh, you know what? I have my 10,000. Here is my here is my 10,000. Now, so okay, for you to have a 10,000, you have to times your $10,000 with this in order for you to have the money that you will use to trade. And by the time you now trade, because if you times your you now use, let's say for example, you now say, okay, I have a $10,000 account. And with the $10,000 account, you now times it with this one, times it with 1.0703. So how much would that be? Your broker will now say, okay, you give me $10,703. So with $10,703, you are now free to use your 10,000 euro account for trading. And by the time you now hold on to your $10,000 account, you now comes here, you were able to hold it and your pips now rise to 1 instead of 1.0703, you now have 1.0803. So which means automatically you were able to hold your money and you now gain 100 pips. So remember, I'm using 100 so that you know the difference in each of these lots. Because we use the standard, remember, he was able to gain with a lot, he was able to gain $1,000. But we'll still use the same 100 here to find out how much with the mini lot you will be able to gain. So with the mini lot, let's now say at the end of the day, you now have your $100. You say, oh, I'm tired of the market for today. I don't want to trade more. This is the road for me. You now call your broker. But when I mean call your broker, you are ending your trade. You know that you're going to call on the phone. No, you now call your broker. Say, broker, here is your $10,000 euro that you gave to me to trade. The broker will say, okay, yeah, you can give me, but remember that your $10,000 euro that you take from me today was so amount. So now you now have 10,803 dollars. So that is where you make your $100. And this not $100, 100 pips. So this 100 pips, your broker, how do you convert it to money? You now say times one. Why is it times one? Because if you, let's go back again to our table. Since you are trading with mini lot with $10,000, each pip that you gain, you will gain $1 per pip. So that is how we arrive at that amount, one $1. One, sorry. So 100 times one would now be times two. Where did we get the two from? Remember that we are trading with too many lots. So from there, 100 times 1, 100 times 2, 200. So which means that on this, your trade, you were able to gain 200 as your profit. So that is how it is you calculate it. But let's go to the third one that we will talk about, because we will not talk about the nano. We'll talk about the micro lot. Sorry, guys. Oh. So as you now have this, we'll be talking about this. Let's say you now have your micro lots. The micro lot means that you are trading with what? With $1,000. So you now trade with $1,000. And trading with $1,000, you now tell, oh, listen, I have $1,000 to trade with. Your your broker is going to tell you, okay, since you have $1,000 to trade with, this is how much you are going to pay. You are going to pay 1.0703 to me, or let's just say 1.070. So by the time you now pay that, you now say, okay, your money, here is your money, 1,000, to have a round number, I'll just say 1,070. So you have 1,070, and by the time you now trade with this a $1,000, you were now able to increase your pips to 1.0803, which means you were able to gain 100 pips. So this 100 pips, how much is it? For you to know how much your 100 pips is, we will go back to our formula again, which is 100 times the number. Remember, we'll go back, I will show it to you again on the chart table. If you are trading with a micro lot, which is 1,000, you have 10 cents. So in our calculation, how much will now be that 10 cents? Will now be 100 times 0.1 times 1. So 100 times 0.1, 100 times 0.1 will give you 10. Then 10 times 1 will give you same 10. So meaning you were able to make a profit of $10 on your trade. So why are all these calculations? Once again, this helps you to know how you can manage your account, whether you are profiting or not. And this will equally help you to know that, yeah, the better I have money in my account, the better for me, so that I will be able to convert my pips to a standard number. So you'll be able to get this. So this is how to calculate it generally. But however, this is not how I did my I do mine, because I have a platform and my broker allow me to use a different lot that I want to use. So that's why I will not go back to my platform, and here I will show it to you in order for you to know what it means and how you can be able to do this. Yes, guys, after that long calculations, I want to show it to you how I do mine. So I don't need to pass through those rigorous areas in order for me to know or calculate my piece or know what I am gaining. So my broker and the platform I use, which is Trading View, allows me to just do mine in a simple way. Let's say, for example, I want to calculate mine. I want to make uh, create a trade. What I will simply do, I will do this. Let's say, for example, I want to sell. So in order for me to sell, I already know here is where my stop is. So my stop is in 85 pips. Okay, I want to have a gain of 2 to 1. Okay, you see it's already in 2. So what I would do in my case, instead of going through those calculations I just showed to you, I will right click here. I'll go to trade. And when I get to trade, I can buy and sell. But here I want to say create new order. In the create new order, remember how much is my pips today? 80 what? My stop, sorry, is 85. So I will just come here, I will say my stop is 85. That is my stop. 85, then I will say my profit. So how much is going to be the profit? So which is going to be that 85 times 2. 85 times 2, which is 170, as you can see here. So I will change this to 170. So I already have mine. So since I trade based on percentage of my account, I trade on percentage. So the percentage I trade with 1% of my account. I will turn this to 1. You see the unit automatically is calculated here. It's not me that is doing the calculation again. But let's say, for example, I say, okay, I don't want to trade with 1% risk. I want to trade with 2. Watch out for this number. Is going to change when I change to 2. See, the number change. That is the amount. It calculates it for me. So this is very easy. So if you want to use this platform, you are using the same brokers. So I will employ you. Just go to the link below. You are going to see a link where you can buy and have subscribe to this Traders View. And with that, using my link, you will be able to get 50% off from your from the money you are going to use to buy your platform. So they are going to deduct 15%, $15 away from how much you are going to pay. So just use this, you will be able to, it's more easier for you to be able to calculate instead of you going through those mathematical area that we went through before in order for you to know how much is your profit or what are you losing. Thank you very much, and thank you for staying to the end. From here, I'm going to tell you that the next video we are going to talk about leverage in order for you to know how you can what a leverage is and how you should use it in order to benefit you and not to destroy you. Thank you and have a wonderful day, and bye for now.